All right, so this is what your assignment looks like. So here at the top, you'll see that it says model of the theme of the tortoise and the hare. So this is just an example of what I did in the video. Then I put in here things to remember. You want to make sure that your theme or that your lesson is not too specific. For example, tortoises are hardworking. That's true from the story, but that's not something you can apply in your life. Or you don't want your theme to be too general, like don't give up. It has to be a little bit more specific. So you could have made that into don't give up even when people doubt you, because the hare doubted the tortoise. So you want to find your theme that's just right. So we're going to keep scrolling, scroll down for the assignments. Keep scrolling, and then this is where you will answer the question. So each question that are the 3 steps that we took, you will fill in your answers here, here, and here. I want you to, when you write your answer, use a different color. If you need help, make sure you ask me in the chat for some help. You can do it. Good luck.